Anyone can print a spec sheet. The question is, what happens before the product ships, and who check the numbers? This is that part of our factory. Inspection here does not start at the end of the line. Incoming raw material is sampled and checked before it enters production, because a stable sealant starts with stable inputs. The organosilicon base comes from a producer in the same industrial park, and it is still verified batch by batch on arrival. During production, samples are pulled from the line and logged against their batch. Viscosity, appearance, cure behavior, checked while the batch is still running, so a drift gets caught in process, not in a container on its way to port. Before release, each batch goes through the lab: tensile and elongation on cured samples, sag resistance, cure through. Every batch is tested against its own product specification, not a generic pass mark. If it does not hold its own numbers, it does not ship. Our own lab is one layer. The second is independent. Our core weatherproof grades are tested at CTC, the China Building Materials Testing Center, under CMA, CNAS, and ILAC-MRA accreditation. That last one matters if you are buying from abroad. It means the results are recognized across borders, not just inside China. So when your customers ask where the numbers come from, there is a third party behind them. If you carry this product under your own label, your name is on the box, so the numbers behind it have to hold. That is what this whole chain is for. Your customer never sees this lab, but they feel it every time the product performs the same way twice. That is how quality is handled here, in process, in the lab, and independently verified. If you want to see the reports themselves, ask. We will send them.